Dear friends, I am Malesh, Zoology faculty in SRDG PU College. Today I am going to take the second chapter, new chapter, biological classification. Okay? Let us discuss some questions on this chapter. Move to question. Who was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification? The given options are A. R.H. Whittaker, B. C. Linnaeus, C. Aristotle, D. None of these. The first option, R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker proposed 5 kingdom classification. The kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. And the second option, Carolus Linnaeus. He classified living organisms into 2 kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Third option is Aristotle. Aristotle, he was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis of classification. He used morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs, and herbs. Similarly, he divided animals into 2 groups, those which had red blood or anemia, those that did not, anemia, means the absence of blood. C is Aristotle is the right answer. Move to next question. Classification system proposed by Linnaeus was a dash kingdom system of classification. The options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. For this question, Linnaeus, the father of taxonomy, founded 2 kingdoms. First kingdom is Plantae and second kingdom is Animalia. Okay? Therefore, the right answer is A, that is 2. Move to next question. The drawbacks or limitations of 2 kingdom classification are options A. No distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Option B. No distinguish between unicellular and multicellular. Option C. Photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms are placed together. Option D. All the above. In Carolus Linnaeus' 2 kingdom classification, he did not distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, unicellular and multicellular, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic. In the given options, D is the right answer, all of the above. Move to the next. In Whittaker's 5 kingdoms system of classification, eukaryotes are distributed among, options are A. 2 kingdoms, B. 3 kingdoms, C. 4 kingdoms, D. All the 5 kingdoms. In Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification, eukaryotes are distributed among 4 kingdoms. First kingdom, Protista. Second kingdom, Fungi. Third kingdom, Plantae. Fourth kingdom is Animalia. But kingdom Monera includes all prokaryotes. Examples, mycoplasm, bacteria, cyanobacteria are called as blue-green algae. In a given options, C is the right answer. That is 4 kingdom. Move to next question. Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvement because they cause, in the given options, A. nitrogen fixation, B. algal blooms, C. photosynthesis, D. all of these. Cyanobacteria have the ability to nitrogen fixation. Next, they are filamentous in structure or forms and possess specialized cells called heterocysts. The heterocysts are shown in the diagram. Okay. These heterocysts are mainly involved in the nitrogen fixation. For example, nostoc and anivina. In the given options, A is the right answer. Move to next question. The bacteria are considered to be plants because they, options A, cannot move, option B, are present everywhere, option C, have a rigid cell wall, option D, cannot multiply by fission. The bacteria are considered to be plants because the bacteria have a rigid cell wall like plant cell. Therefore, in the given options, C is the right answer. Next question. Which type of bacteria are responsible for production of biogas? Options A, halophiles, option B, thermoacidophiles, option C, methanozins, option D, all the above. Archaebacteria are the bacteria having a different cell wall structure and live in most harsh habitats. Halophiles are nothing but archaebacteria and live in salty areas. Those bacteria or archaebacteria or live in salty areas are called halophiles. Similarly, thermoacidophiles are also archaebacteria, live in hot springs. Then third, methanozins live in marshy areas and in a gut of ruminant animals like cows and buffaloes. They are also responsible for the production of methane, that is called as biogas, from the dung of these animals. Therefore, in the given options, C is the right answer. Move to next question. What is true for archaebacteria? Options are A, all halophiles, B, all photosynthetics, C, all fossils, D, oldest living things. Archaebacteria are believed to have originated at a time when there was extreme conditions in the biosphere. Hence, they are considered as oldest living things. In the given options, the right answer is D. Move to next question. What is true for cyanobacteria? The given options are A, oxygenic with nitrogenase, B, oxygenic without nitrogenase, C, non-oxygenic with nitrogenase, D, non-oxygenic without nitrogenase. Cyanobacteria are also called as blue-green algae. These are true prokaryotes. They have chlorophyll A and photosystem II, as in higher plants. They carry out oxygenic photosynthesis. They contain nitrogenase enzyme for nitrogen fixation. Based on these observations, option A is the right answer. Move to next question. Thread-like filamentous of fungi are known as option A, conidia, option B, mycorrhiza, option C, sporangium, option D, hypae. Fungi like ascomycetes, they are also called as sac fungi. Then they produce spores. They are called as the conidia. Okay. Example, penicillium. Mycorrhiza, it is symbiotic association between a fungus and roots of a plant. Sporangium, it is an enclose in fungi in which spores are formed. Hypae, except yeast, all fungi are filamentous. Their bodies consist of Long thread-like structures are called hyphae. Based on these points, right answer is D, that is hyphae. Move to next question. C appear red due to options A, desmites, B, coleotrichum, C, gynolax. They are also called red dinoflagellates. Option D, all of the above. Okay. Desmites, it is a group of chrysophytes, includes diatoms and golden algae, whereas coleotrichum, it is a genus of fungi that are symbionts to plants as endoparasites. Similarly, gynolax, they are also called as red dinoflagellates or single-celled eukaryotes. Then they undergo rapid multiplication that make the sea appear red or tides. Right answer is C, gynolax. Move to next question. Chrysophytes are option A, planktons, B, nectons, C, benthic organisms, D, rooted submerged. Planktons, they swim or cannot swim faster than water currents. Example, chrysophytes like diatoms and golden algae. Nectons, they can swim freely and faster than water currents like whales and fishes. Benthos, they live in or on the sea floor sediments, and they are also sedentary in nature. Sedentary means they do not move from one place to another place. For example, sea anemone. Therefore, in the given options, right answer is A, planktons. Move to next question. Slime modes are photosynthetic protists. Option B, saprophytic protists. C, both A and B. D, none of these. Slime modes are single-celled eukaryotic protists. They are saprophytic protists. They live in moist soil, decaying plant twigs and leaves. They do not have chlorophyll. Based on these points, in a given options, B is the right answer. Saprophytic protist. Move to next question. Mycoplasma. The given options are option A, lack cell wall, B, have a cell wall, C, are sensitive to penicillin, D, are usually as big as most other bacteria. Mycoplasm is a genus of bacteria. They have no definite shape due to lack of cell wall. They have triple layered plasma membrane. Their size ranges between 100 to 500 nanometer. They can survive without oxygen. Based on these points, in the given options, A is a right answer. That is lack of cell wall. Move to next question. Okay, students, this is the time to end this episode. I think you have understood about this chapter. At the end of every episode, we will ask a question for the students. The student question is, which of the following is considering as neither prokaryotes nor eukaryotes? Options are A, bacteriophages, B, bacteria, C, fungi, D, monera. Please send your SMS to 888-44-86915 in the format SRDG-Zoology. First 3 correct SMS sender will get attractive prize. Okay students, we will come with new topic in next episode. Until then, have a nice day.
Vidyadayini, 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 Vidyadayini. We are the best in education. We are the best in culture. We are the best in moral. We are best in all the way. Our children are the future and gift to the nation. Our children are the future and gift to the nation. Vidyadayini, 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 Vidyadayini.
Vidyadayini Residential School, KR Nagar, Harihar. Admissions open from nursery to 10th CBSE syllabus. Srimati Radhabai D. Gopal Rao PU College. Admissions open for PUC Science and Commerce. And Vidyadayini Degree College. Admissions open for BCom and BA. Contact today 94481 15118.